Mate, it's the first of many sharks. You'd imagine I reckon 50% of trips we're probably going to take a shark. No joke. Wait. I thought your shark had got bumped just then. Might have just been tired. Get the dogs. Hey, snake. Oi, yeah, that's not the brick sliding. That is a shark. Nah, hang on. Maybe let him have it for a minute. I can't. Slowly. Don't strike, remember, because the hook will set itself. Yeah, nice. Let him shake that hook in his hand and let him go. Shauno. Oh, Shauno. Yep, you reckon. That's a good fish. Alright, I'm going to move fast now, guys. He's going the perfect way for it. Oh, you had a fish on this. Bro. Oh, it's not bad having a boat, eh?
Guys.
Nice. Keep him there. Oh yeah, that's a decent snap that you just caught as well.
That I just caught.
You nervous, mate?
Yeah.
Don't be.
It's the biggest thing I've ever hooked on this rod.
You'll be right, mate. Let him run.
I already feel it.
Let him run.
Oh, he's already taken me down to where my line's all wobbly. Look, I've never had this much line out before. It's probably a tilapia.
You thinking tilly? I think if it's a tilly, it's a good tilly. What was the fish I caught the first up this morning? What was it? What'd you say? Was it a pull shark? A bull shark? This might be a bull shark, yeah.
Yeah, you know, actually a bull came into the water, had sex with a shark. That's how they got their name.
You wouldn't read about it.
No, you probably wouldn't.
You know what, Shauno? I think it's about time I return the favour.
Yeah, boy.
I think it's about time I returned the favour.
This shark fishing's work, boys. This shark fishing's work.
Oh, how good is it? Oh, how nice is it to have a boat, cunt? We just caught 3 fish in 3 minutes, cunt. One of them's going to be a donkey bull shark. Look at me and smile, would you, mate? Yeah, there's a few good picks there, mate. There's a few good picks there. So same time tomorrow, or?
I'm fucking thinking. Early one tonight? Yeah.
Ian and Guy are going to be a bit jealous, I think, of today.
How's work, boys?
Two Wellington Point sessions, 2 absolute fucking sessions, man. How good. My man.
That sharky short.
Hero. Thanks, guys.
Thank you so fucking much.
Appreciate it. Good on them. All right, I'm gonna get anchor up and get thinking about moving here, eh? Did we mark where we were? Oh, we can kind of.
Got tracking.
Oh, sweet.
There's a 20 pound boat.
Oh, it's not far then. We'll probably just drift over to him.
Yeah, if you stay up there. Thing saw.
Where's that tail rope? Just there?
It's on there, same that we use. If you loop it through that fucking
Yeah, mate.
circuit. How much charge has my GoPro got?
34.
34%.
Yeah.
Fuck it, I might leave it. We got to be getting close to that leader coming up now, or at least the mono.
How much mono do you got?
About 2 meters.
2 meters.
Mine's gonna be a pain in the ass. We're gonna have to fucking wrangle the fucking.
What's the
leader.
trace? 2 meters?
Yeah. So once I get to swivel, because I'm not running a knot.
Yep.
Once I get to swivel, you got about 4 meters still to drag him up.
All right. Wait, pretend you snagged.
Oh, no fish yet.
Alright, swap your sides in, mate. He's swinging around there. Oh, there's leader. There's leader.
Definitely need to get one of them dog clips. like what's touching my foot. Alright, you want to put the motor in gear and swing us around?
Yeah, mate. Fucking weird flight from a tilapia. Usually they come in a bit quicker than this, eh?
Oh my fucking pubes, man, they're not bushy enough.
I've shaved my pubes. I'm a bright man. I knew today would be on, so
I left mine just for this
shaved
reason,
them
so
last
I'm really
night.
sticking
Yeah,
down
yep.
pubes.
You got leader on there or nah?
He took that back.
Yeah, fuck, alright. Yeah, about to see fish, everyone.
Alright, that's all the winding I got, unfortunately.
Alright, just take a step back or two. You want me to hand line?
He's spinning the boat around, but we'll let him
Alright.
spin around again. Even if I can just keep
Jeez, he is spinning the boat around. Look at this. So 2 metres a leader, 2 metres a trace.
something like that. Yeah, that's what I mean. It's about 4 metres down.
We might have to invest in some wind on leader for the boats, eh?
Yeah, well, I could probably do this. It's just because we've always run land based.
Yeah,
I never gave it a thought being on the boat.
yeah.
No! Guys, he won't give up. Here's the boat.
Yep. I'm gonna let it go as soon as he wants to run though, alright?
Yep. See him?
No, not yet.
Yeah, he's still a long way down. That's
Yeah,
as much-
geez, you got some leader, eh?
Yeah. Is it worth just motoring over to green?
Nah,
Like
no,
very
no.
slowly?
We'll be right. We'll get him up. We just need his head to face up and then the rest of him will come too, just like that. Just like that. There's fish. Oh, going down.
Watch
Yep,
your fingers,
going
watch your
down.
fingers, watch your fingers. Watch
Yeah.
your fingers,
Going
watch
down.
your fingers, watch your fingers. Yep, they go.
He's a good shark. He's about the same as I reckon. He's no joke. Pump and wind! Pump and fucking wind! Get this fucking dog of a thing in. It's nice to be hooked onto something big when everyone's driving past,
Yeah.
hey?
Look at me! This is Fishing and Fisherman's Diary.
Oh, you should totally get this as fishing on the side of the boat.
I am. He's still got some pull, eh?
Yeah, that's alright.
So just
We just need his head up. Do you want to take any of the slack line that I've got around me so it doesn't wrap around my neck and fucking do me? Thanks, bro. Oh, a little bit of kick. We just need his head to come up. Come on. Here we go. Here we go.
Alright, rod's going down.
Yep, there's Trace.
He goes again.
Oh, yo.
Is that alright?
Dude, that's as big as mine, easy. He's going down, going down. He's got 3 suckerfish on him too. Say this on camera actually. People think shark fishing is dangerous. Catching the shark is like you're never going to get bit by the shark. What's dangerous is this part where you've got to get the tail rope around it. You got spare line left over in the boat and you've got an angry bull shark next to it. That's the dangerous part. You're not actually at risk of what the shark's going to do. It's more the gear.
Oh, that's a shark! That's not a bull?
Yeah, it is. That's a bull.
Yeah.
Yep, that's a bull. Oh, 100%. You couldn't have hooked him much better, dude.
He's perfect circle.
You good, mate?
Go grab that tail!
Oh, so close. So close. Come up. Oh.
Watch Watch him.
Holy dooly.
Watch him. Come on, just lift your bum, mate. Tickle, tickle, tickle. If I can just grab that.
Got him. Come on. Yes, sir.
Got him.
Okay. Oh no, not yet, buddy. Not yet, buddy. Oh, yo. Yo.
He felt the hook come out and he's like, I'm free!
Oh, that works.
Sharky!
How you feeling?
We got one. Fucking sore, not gonna lie. Let's go throw anchor and have a rest, eh?
Yeah, I was gonna say I'm pretty right for sharks for the rest of the day. Fucking hell.